The Ducati Panigale V4 is not just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of engineering, performance, and design. It represents the pinnacle of Ducati's technological advancements, embodying the brand's racing spirit and passion for speed. From the first glance, it captivates with its aggressive stance, sharp lines, and aerodynamic silhouette. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance performance, from the sleek fairings that cut through the air to the compact tail section that emphasizes its race-bred DNA. The Panigale V4 is a statement of power and elegance, a machine designed to dominate both the road and the track. At its core, the Panigale V4 is powered by the Desmosedici Stradale engine, a 1103cc V4 marvel inspired by Ducati's MotoGP race bikes. This engine is not only about raw power but also about smooth, linear power delivery that allows riders to exploit its full potential. Producing an astounding 214 horsepower, it propels the bike with relentless acceleration, pushing boundaries with a top speed that few can rival. The engine's unique 90-degree V4 configuration provides perfect primary balance, reducing vibrations and enhancing rider comfort even at high revs. It's a masterpiece of engineering that delivers thrilling performance with every twist of the throttle. The sound of the Panigale V4 is nothing short of intoxicating. From the moment you start the engine, it roars to life with a deep, menacing growl. The exhaust note is raw and aggressive, rising to a spine-tingling howl as the revs climb. It's a sound that resonates with the soul of every motorcycle enthusiast, a reminder of Ducati's racing heritage. This isn't just noise, it's the voice of power and passion, a symphony of mechanical precision and engineering brilliance. Every ride becomes a concert of adrenaline and excitement, amplified by the unmistakable roar of the V4 engine. But power is nothing without control, and Ducati knows this better than anyone. The Panigale V4 is equipped with cutting-edge electronics that enhance safety, stability, and performance. At the heart of this system is a 6-axis inertial measurement unit that constantly monitors the bike's movements, enabling advanced features such as Ducati traction control, wheelie control, and slide control. These systems work seamlessly to provide maximum grip and stability, ensuring confidence and control even at the limits of performance. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or a high-speed racetrack, the Panigale V4 keeps you firmly in control. The ride modes are another testament to Ducati's technological prowess. With just a flick of a switch, you can transform the Panigale V4's character to suit your riding style. From the adrenaline-pumping race mode that delivers maximum power and responsiveness to the more refined sport mode that balances power with control, the Panigale V4 adapts to every situation. There's also a street mode for relaxed cruising, ensuring comfort and stability on everyday rides. This versatility makes the Panigale V4 not just a superbike but also a companion for every journey, from the track to the city streets. Handling is where the Panigale V4 truly shines. Its lightweight aluminum front frame is derived from MotoGP technology, providing exceptional rigidity and feedback. This design allows the bike to feel agile and responsive, enabling you to carve through corners with precision and confidence. The perfectly balanced chassis ensures stability even at high speeds, while the wide handlebars offer excellent leverage for quick direction changes. This is further enhanced by the fully adjustable Öhlins electronic suspension, which automatically adapts to the road conditions, delivering a smooth, controlled ride that inspires confidence. Braking power is another standout feature of the Panigale V4. Equipped with Brembo-style monoblock calipers and massive 330mm discs, it delivers unmatched stopping power with precision and consistency. The braking system is paired with Bosch cornering ABS, which provides maximum safety even when braking hard while leaned over. This combination of powerful brakes and advanced ABS technology ensures that you can confidently approach corners at speed, knowing that the Panigale V4 will respond exactly as you expect. It's a system designed to inspire trust and confidence, enhancing the overall riding experience. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the Panigale V4's performance. The sleek, sculpted bodywork is designed to minimize drag and maximize stability at high speeds. The integrated winglets generate downforce, preventing wheelies during hard acceleration and enhancing stability during fast cornering. These aerodynamic elements are not only functional but also contribute to the bike's striking appearance. The aggressive front fascia, muscular fuel tank, and sharp tail section create a silhouette that is both beautiful and intimidating. It's a design that captures attention and leaves a lasting impression, a true masterpiece of Italian artistry. Comfort is not compromised despite its aggressive nature. The ergonomics have been carefully crafted to provide a perfect balance between sporty riding and all-day comfort. The seat is supportive, allowing the rider to shift weight effortlessly while cornering. The handlebars are positioned for maximum control, while the strategically placed footpegs offer the perfect riding posture. The Panigale V4 feels natural and intuitive, making it an extension of the rider's body. It's a bike that fits like a glove, enhancing the connection between man and machine. The advanced electronics are complemented by a stunning full-color TFT display, which provides all essential information at a glance. The interface is user-friendly and fully customizable, allowing you to tailor the display to your preferences. From speed and RPM to lap times and lean angles, every detail is presented clearly and elegantly. The display also integrates seamlessly with Ducati's multimedia system, allowing you to control music, calls, and navigation directly from the screen. It's a feature that adds convenience and functionality, enhancing the overall riding experience. The Ducati Panigale V4 is not just a motorcycle, it's an embodiment of speed, power, and passion. It represents the pinnacle of Ducati's engineering excellence, bringing the thrill of MotoGP to the streets. It's a bike that demands respect and admiration, a machine that transforms every ride into an unforgettable experience. From its jaw-dropping design to its mind-blowing performance, the Panigale V4 is a testament to Italian craftsmanship and innovation. It's not just about riding fast, it's about experiencing the thrill of speed, the joy of control, and the freedom of the open road. Riding the Panigale V4 is an emotional journey, a symphony of power, precision, and exhilaration. It's about the connection between rider and machine, a bond forged through speed and adrenaline. Every twist of the throttle, every lean into a corner, every burst of acceleration is a reminder of the pure joy of riding. It's about pushing boundaries, exploring new limits, and living life to the fullest. The Ducati Panigale V4 is more than just a superbike, it's a dream brought to life, a legend that rides on two wheels, a masterpiece that moves with the soul of a racer.